Welcome to the Request Creation Guide for My Enterprise 3.0. Our new design allows users to request the services they require in a variety of methods. Quick and dynamic My Actions gets you to where you want to be. In only 2 clicks, you are able to begin your request submission process. After answering a few quick questions related to your request, you are done. Another method to submitting requests in My Enterprise is by use of the sidebar navigation. Similar to the folders on your computer, simply drill down through the categories and select a service item from the menu. In the same short steps, your submission has been completed. Your submission will then be routed to the appropriate support staff to fulfill your request. Expanding the search functionality and content within My Enterprise was paramount prior to extending this feature to all users. Previously, this functionality was only available to support staff. We have now empowered you with the ability to search all of your requests and tickets in addition to service items and self-help content. For our example, we will leverage the search bar to find the new computer request. By default, all search results will be listed. In order to quickly refine our search, we will select service items from the results count presented. A preview of the Request New Computer service item will appear, giving you the ability to launch the service item from your search results. Again, in a few short steps, your submission is complete. My Enterprise 3.0 brings 3 accommodating ways to find the content you are looking for. We hope these new features will assist you with creating requests more efficiently. Thank you for taking the time to review the Request Creation Guide for My Enterprise 3.0.